sitta här I väntan och spela lite Dota.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you interested in making comics? So there is a happy news for all of you. Today in this video I will show you how you can make comics with your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download an application called Storyboard. This application is available in Play Store, and also I will give its link in the description box so you can easily download it from that link. When you open this app, you will get an interface like this. It is very easy to make comics with this app. Now you can see a load video option here. What you have to do is just click on that and pick up a video from your gallery. Okay, I have taken one video. Now this app will automatically process the video and make a comic for us, and also we can change it. I will show you. Let us wait a little time. Okay, now this is one comic. If we want to change it, we have to scroll down. Okay, I'll show you. Just scroll down. Now it has changed like this. You can make so many comics very easily. This app artificially take the important pictures of the video and makes a really good comics, a really good meaningful comics for us. So you can make a lot of comics with this Android app, and I am ensuring that it will best comics. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more technical videos. So let's see in another video. Till then, bye.